A question we hear all the time is, which essential oils can help me relax? Well, here at Plant Therapy, our team of certified aromatherapists created Relax Synergy. The ingredients were carefully chosen to help produce deep relaxation and promote a peaceful and tranquil state of mind. Relax can be used to promote a peaceful night's rest. It helps unwind the mind and creates a relaxed atmosphere, and it has a wonderful aroma. Relax is KidSafe, so it can be used for adults and children. My top 3 favorite ways to use Relax Synergy are in a diffuser. I add a few drops to my diffuser and diffuse for 30 minutes after work or after a long day of being a mom to help quiet my mind. Another way I like to use Relax is to add it to my favorite bath and body products. I will add a few drops to my bubble bath to help ease my thoughts and allow me to really relax. And the third way I like to use Relax is at night to promote a peaceful night's rest. I will put 1 to 2 drops on a cotton ball or pad and place it near my pillow. Here's an easy, relaxing body wash DIY that you can do at home. You will need an 8-ounce pump bottle, 2/3 cup of CASTILE soap, a 1/2 cup of distilled water, a 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 teaspoons of JOJOBA Carrier Oil. And then we are going to add 30 drops of Relax Synergy. Blend all the ingredients together. Pour into the pump bottle. And it's ready to use. Now, I want to go take a nice relaxing bath. Bye!